What's up everyone, hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. This is 1930 here and welcome back to my channel. So today I am with Mr. Amandeep. He came all the way from Jagraon and the reason being he is here is because he wanted to show us this bike.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things.
This looks like a normal RC200 or RC390, but basically this is a RC390. But now what is the difference in this bike and the other RC390 motorcycle is that this is powered by an electric motor, not with the petrol engine. Amandeep Singh, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੁਝ ਦੱਸੋਗੇ ਬਾਈਕ ਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ?
Hi, my name is Amandeep Singh. I'm the co-founder of Bolt Motorcycles, and right now here I have built a prototype on a RC390. This has an amazing power of 5 kilowatt, and you can expect a speed of around 120 kilometers per hour on highways, and with a range of around 120 kilometers. So this is a very performance-oriented bike for all the motovloggers and who is passionate about motorcycles. And my idea is to bring electric motorcycle as a choice for all the enthusiasts to drive it on daily basis, who go to offices, schools, anywhere, and have a maximum range of around 120 or 130 kilometers per day. I hope I'll make the final version and make it to the market as soon as possible. Because EV is the necessity and it will allow us to decrease the pollution and like a lot of other things.
It's definitely gonna take over all the petrol and the diesel engine in the future, as we all know, just like Tesla is working. So this is the odometer of this motorcycle, which display all the information including the battery power. And this
is a BMS, the battery management system, which control the power delivery from the battery to the motor. We are using the NMC cells over here. This is the best cell like the Tesla uses in their vehicles.
So this is kind of the engine of this motorcycle. Basically not the engine, this is the motor. This is imported from China because it's not available in India. And this is the battery to power this motor, and this has been imported from South Korea because it's also not available in India. And here are the rest of the components which control the power delivery and all those things which are happening on this motor. एक चार्ज होने में इसको टाइम लगता है 2 hours, so that is really good for such a big battery because usually phone या camera charge होने में भी इतना टाइम लगता है. And you can ride your motorcycle for around 120 kilometers with 2-hour charge. That is such a nice thing because this battery supports a fast charging. And if I show you, it doesn't have any clutch, doesn't even have the gears, so that's really interesting. And it has no sound at all. It is completely silent motorcycle. So 0 to 60 it does in around 4 and 4.5 seconds, but 0 to 100 it does in 8 seconds. So that is insane power. So in the top end, this power resembles to the RC390, which was basically the motorcycle was. In the lower end, it performs like a 200cc. I would say this is such a nice technology he has used that the performance is like a very linear and you enjoy from 0 to all the way 100. Its top speed is around 100, I forgot to tell you. And in this motorcycle he has also introduced the different power modes, just like you used to have in the bigger bike sales. So he is currently using the 2 power modes because still a lot of work has to be done and he wanted to keep the motorcycle in the safe limits. It has the belt drive just like the Harley motorcycle used to have rather than the chain, but in the production motorcycle there would be the availability of the chain. Currently the belt cannot take that much of power as you would expect from a sports category motorcycle, so this is why he is going to replace it with the chain in the production. As of now we know that this is the first motorcycle which is of this much performance in India. So इससे पहले छोटी performance वाले 2-wheelers हैं इंडिया में, but this is the first, the only one RC390 for now. And अभी prototype जो है अच्छी तरह से ready हो चुका है and production में भी आ जाएगा. इसको थोड़ा सा time लगेगा production में आने के लिए, but they are like working effortlessly. So I think I will test ride it for a bit. I don't have any GoPro to record the point of view footage, but he will record me. I'll take a round in the parking lot. It was really fun riding this motorcycle. I didn't have GoPro to record the point of view footage, but it was such a fun bike. It accelerated pretty good. I wish अगर इसमें chain होगी तो it will accelerate like crazy. It was actually fun. I really enjoyed it, and I wish we could see the electric motorcycles even more in the future, in the upcoming future. So thank you so much, Amandeep.
Thank you.
So thank you so much for coming here and being part of the society with this kind of motorcycle. So if you want to know more about this motorcycle or this technology or anything related to this, you can follow his Instagram. The Instagram handle is right over here, the Bolt Motorcycle. So you can follow him over there, DM him to ask about anything. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel for the more videos like this. So see ya in the next one. मशहूरी तो नहीं है, बस वीडियो कर रहे हैं बस।
वीडियो बना रहे हैं, नेट पे पावांगे। टीवी तो नहीं आएगी,
टीवी तो यूट्यूब पे आएगी। सो अंकल जी इज आस्किंग दैट कोई हम ऐड कर रहे हैं नहीं कर रहे हैं, सो वी आर नॉट डूइंग एनी ऐड। सो